Hi everyone, my name is Asyri. Okay, now I would like to share with you a quick overview of the course, change and organization development. This course helps us to learn how to manage the change in organization using behavioral and social science knowledge. It focuses on four main processes, which is planning, developing, implementing, and evaluation change efforts. We will explore different frameworks and strategies that organizations use to handle complex change. The case study will help us to build real-world management and problem-solving skills. The course also encourages us to grow professionally by promoting good values and positive attitudes during the change. By the end, we will able to explain and apply important audit theories, preparing us for future leadership and change organizational in the real world. Okay, now we move forward to difficulty that I face. One of the biggest challenges I faced in this course was understanding the many complex theories in the organizational development, especially models like Lewin change model, which is I found it hard at first to see how they connect to real world situations. The case study were also challenging. They needed a lot of analytical thinking, which I was not used to. I had to think about the things like employee morale and leadership, which sometimes left me feeling unsure with my conclusion. Another difficulty was working in a group project. Differences in opinion and working styles sometimes cause conflict and slow down the progress. But this moment taught me a lot of patience, adaptability, and how to work through the team challenge. To overcome the challenge that I faced, I took proactive learning approach. I spent extra time reviewing course material and watched helpful YouTube videos, especially on Cotter's 8 step, which made the content easier to understand. I also formed a study group with my classmates. We met weekly to discuss topic and help each other to understand the material better. This really improved my learning and gave us all sense of support. Next, for the group work, I focus on the clear communication. I talk with my team to figure out everyone's strength. For example, one person was great at data, another at presentation. This helped us work more efficiently. When conflict came up, I used I used to active learning and encourage everyone to speak openly. This will help us to solve problem peacefully and work better together as a team. During this course, I discovered some personal strengths that really helped me to success. First, I realized that my analytical skills were a major asset. I was good at breaking down complex case study and identifying the key issue. For example, in one case about failed change initiative, I point out the lack of stakeholder engagement was a big reason for the failure. That sparked a really useful discussion in our group. Next, my interpersonal skill made a big difference. I was able to connect well with my classmates, build strong teamwork, and support others. I often help classmates who were struggling, and that not only helped them, but also helped me understand the material better. So this strength, both analytical and interpersonal, made my learning experience much more meaningful and successful. Although I have good progress in this course, I recognize that there are some areas I need to improve. One of them is my time management, which is balancing group work, assignment, and personal responsibilities was a challenge. At the time, I rushed through my work like during the final project, and which is I underestimate how much time I needed to complete the task. Going forward, I will use a detailed schedule and focus on the prioritizing my tasks better. Another area is public speaking. I still feel nervous when speaking in front of large group. For example, during our final presentation, I struggle to maintain eye contact because of anxiety. To improve, I plan to join clubs or attend workshops that can help build my confidence and communicate. Improving in these two areas will help me both in my studies and my future career. Here are some advice that I will give to future students who taking this course. First, the student need work smarter, not harder. Instead of spending endless hours on tasks, focus on understanding the real problem and choosing the best solution. A strategic approach can lead a better result. Second, engage with the content. Don't just read the textbook. Take note and highlight the key point and discuss them in the class. It's really help in our understanding. Third one is join study group. Learning with others is more effective and makes the course more enjoyable. It also help you to stay on the track with group work. Next, communicate openly. If you are stuck with the content or a group issue, don't be afraid to speak up. Asking help for show the strength. So lastly is manage your time wisely. Create a schedule, stick to the deadlines, and avoid last minute stress. Finally, embrace the feedback. It's a powerful tool for learning. Use it to improve and grow. To conclude, this course has truly been a transformative experience for me. I have faced challenges, but They have helped me grow stronger and more adaptable. I have gained valuable insight into organizational development and built meaningful connection with my classmates along the way. I'm really grateful for everything I have learned. Look forward applying these skills in the future. To future students, my advice is simple. Embrace the journey, stay curious, collaborate with them, don't hesitate to seek help. If you stay engaged, you will success. Thank you.